Yesterday, the cat was brought back from the veterinary hospital. She did not only undergo a relatively routine spaying surgery. As she had a rather serious infection, some other parts of her reproductive system had to be removed too, besides what is normally removed as part of a spaying surgery. Unlike the few hours that she was expected to stay at the hospital, it was needed for her to stay there 2 full days. The infection was also in her bloodstream, so she received medication directly in the bloodstream, just like we humans would in similar circumstances. The parts that were removed and I was shown by the vet resembled a 10-15 centimeter long earthworm. The surgery left her with 20 stitches on the lower belly, and she needs to take oral medication 2 times a day for a week. Without the medical intervention, this cat would almost certainly not be alive by now. As we can see, cats are pretty much subject to the main sources of suffering that our lives are also marked with. I've mentioned earlier sickness, old age, and death. But actually, there is one more I didn't mention. It is birth. According to Buddhist teachings, these are the events that are inevitably part of our lives and are accompanied by the most suffering. Birth, sickness, old age, and death. If we can accept that not only death, but also birth is a painful event during which we experience great sufferings, we might find it logical why it is considered to be such a tragedy when someone passes away at a young age. It does matter how long the time period is between birth and death. And it also matters what we do in between these events. Birth, sickness, old age, and death. But what about that thing that's given birth to? What is that thing that experiences sickness? What becomes old? And eventually, what is the thing that dies? What is all this? We normally would refer to it as a cat, regardless if it is healthy or sick, young or old, dead or alive. What is this? Let us look deeply into this question that might embrace a whole range of other questions too that are related to our existence and meditate on it at least for a minute. What on earth is this?